Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your handset supports Esim and is unlocked. This matters because the Esim profile ties to your device ID. Once confirmed, sign into My O2 or contact customer service and request an Esim swap. Provide your ID and account verification, then choose Esim for your existing mobile number. After that, O2 will prepare an activation. They either send a QR code in the app or by email, or a one-time activation code. Keep the QR visible on another device when you proceed. Once you have the QR or code, go to Settings and choose Add Cellular Plan. On Android, it may be Add eSIM or download a SIM instead. Scan the QR with your phone camera or paste the activation code. If prompted, give the plan a name and set whether it's your primary line. Make sure Wi-Fi is on during download if required. The device will fetch the operator profile and install it. Once installed, the profile shows in cellular settings, and the carrier status changes to O2. Finish by verifying voice, SMS, and mobile data work on the eSIM, make a call and load a web page. Once confirmed, power off, remove the physical SIM and restart to avoid conflicts. If the line doesn't register, try toggling airplane mode, rebooting or deleting and re-adding the eSIM profile. If problems persist, contact O2 support with your device ID and the SIM ICSID. They can reissue the QR or push the activation. This one troubleshooting step, reinstalling the profile.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.